think this might be a king. What is going on here? We got a fish on here. We got a feisty one. Yeah, that's a king. Yeah, I think so. Usually they don't jump, but that looks like a king to me. So let's catch this one. Can we do it? Okay, so we are gonna spin the boat. That's a nice fish. I don't know. That is definitely a king salmon right there. We need to get that guy in the boat. Not a big one. Oh, that's a coho. Geez, I thought that was a king. It must be a native then. When they fight good, they're usually a native. Eee, feisty little guy. Nice fighting fish, that's for sure. Let's see if we can get him in the boat though. Oh. Wouldn't you know it, right at the boat. Oh, craziness. So that was 10 poles down. Crazy. That was like one of the toughest fighting coho I've ever had. Okay, so that was some excitement. Again, just spit the hooks right at the back of the boat. I have definitely had troubles this trip trying to keep things going. Tons of bites. I'm just having a hooking problem. Adjusting the hooks. This time, instead of going back with the hooks, I went forward. So I put 2 beads on because I was actually looking at the bait and it had a bunch of teeth marks on it. So I'm thinking they were just grabbing onto it and trailing hooks were missing them. So went shorter on the hook situation on the Brad's bait. Spiders. All right, fish on. So we are not having a problem getting fish on. Let's just get one in the boat and ruin this bad streak. Let's just end the bad streak. It's definitely a coho. Let's see if we can keep him engaged. Look at him just sitting back there. That's a nice fish. Look at that, right at the boat again. Oh, this is getting tiring. Hey Leonard, you there? All right, let's get one in the boat, please. Look at these guys, they just... Oh, he's got an extra fin. Extra fin. So, that's what you call an extra fin. Nice fish. We're gonna let him go. At least we got him to the boat. So, my struggles. So, look at the teeth marks. So they're hitting it up here instead of down here where they were before. So I had to really shorten up these hooks. I had to shorten up these hooks to one bead based on where they're biting it. Look at it, they're hitting it right on top. So let's get that thing back in the water. Got him to the boat. That's a good sign. All right. Let's see how we do getting this one in the boat. Can't tell if he's got a fin or not. Yep. He's got that extra fin. Let him go. Look guys, no net. No net needed. No fear. Lost so many. What's one more to lose? All right, starting to get him to the boat at least. Keeper, if I can keep him in the... Yay! This is a keeper, finally. Nothing to write home about, but finally did it. Jeez. Long awaited. Oh, geez. Look at those guys. What do you want? Nothing here for you. Good riddance, sea lions. You didn't get my fish.